Hey guys, we're going off script today. Sitting in the car line waiting for, the kid to come out, and wanted to talk to you guys today about something called risk layering. This might get a little long, and like I said, I don't have a script, so we're going to see how this goes. So a lot of people say, hey, they'll call and say, hey, my coworker or my friend or my aunt or my uncle got a loan with a 580 credit score, or with, no money down, or this or that. And then when we as loan officers go to work those files up, we're not able to do quite the same thing. And I want to explain to you why. So yes, there are programs out there that can go down to a 580. There are programs out there that don't require down payments. But there's also something called risk layering. And so what you normally see when someone has a 580 score or a 600 score is maybe they're putting a lot of money down, or they have a lot of money in reserves, maybe a large retirement account. Not necessarily saying that they're using that money for the transaction, but a lot of the underwriting guidelines look at that as a bonus. It looks at that as, hey, this is a little bit stronger of a file. So when you come in with, a lower credit score, no money to put down, no money in the bank, maybe a couple of recent lates on your rent, those things start to stack up. So it's not just about one thing. It's about all of those things combined. So I just kind of wanted to talk about that a little bit today. I don't feel like that gets talked about enough in the mortgage industry, and that term, that risk layering term. And I think it's really important. I think it's really important for borrowers to understand how that works. So that, you don't get discouraged when, your friend or your cousin or your whatever, was able to get something done, and then maybe you need just a little more work, or vice versa. Maybe you're the one that was able to get it done, but you've got a friend that can't. So that's just really kind of what I wanted to talk about today, and why it's so important that you get with a loan officer early in the process. As soon as you think you might want to buy a house, whether that's me or someone else, get with a trusted loan officer, get with someone who is going to walk you through that process, check all of those different risk layers, and let you know the different things that you can do to fix those. It's just so important. So anyways, that's it. If anyone has any questions, you know how to find me. Draw me a DM, call me, text me, email me, all of the above, and we will talk soon. Have a great day.